Excuse me, please. Tamil Nadu welcomes you. Thank you. Oh, elephant droppings. Sir?
இதெல்லாம் கழட்டிடுங்க. சரியா?
Okay.
அதை கழட்டுங்க.
Okay, so at the Tamil Nadu forest checkpoint, they stopped me and asked me to switch off the GoPro. Actually, remove GoPro, and then I had to do that. Where's the sense of adventure if you don't break teeny tiny unharmful rules? They did not even allow me to just switch it off and then keep going. I requested him so politely. Then I had to just remove it and go. It was a good thing because my battery was about to go off. So in front of him, without making him realize, I swapped the battery as well, kept everything ready, and I just came outside the security coverage zone where there was still some civilization. I switched it on. They should not hurt anyone. As long as you're not hurting anyone, breaking rules should be fine. I was hoping to see some wildlife. At a safe distance, of course. Hi! Elephant droppings. Oh, by the time I reach or exit this forest range, it will be 19:15. I'm sure it will be dark by then. More elephant droppings. Elephant droppings. I won't be surprised if I encounter one because it's getting dark. It's getting cold, and maybe they come here on to feed, or maybe in the night, I don't know. Elephant droppings. More droppings. A peacock, India's national bird. Is that elephants pee? Did it pee and left somewhere? I wonder what should be my action plan if I see some elephant or elephants. Sitting at the comfort of your couch, you would not feel that excited. But this is my very first experience where there's nobody around. On this road, I'm barely seeing any people. And given that I'm no elephant whisperer, I'm just riding cautiously. There are some fresh footprints of maybe domesticated animals. How old this forest must have been? India should start the truck culture. I always wanted one. They have written something. Honestly, I can't make out if it's a warning or a caution notice. Since India is a multilingual country, every state should have one in its native language, at least warnings, cautions, one in native language, one in English, while people who can understand English can go through that and understand. We can't have every single language translated, that's a no-brainer. So yeah, simply put, one in English, one in native language, all over India. Maybe it says go slow, Animal Crossing or something like that. Look at that wave. And the sunset, of course. Oh, wow. Lovely. That's truly lovely. Elephant droppings. They have returned. So those of you know a little bit about Veerappan, right? I believe he was amongst all of these forests around, close to the Mysore region. And it's really getting cold. I wonder how these guys, the guys in his gang, used to live in the forest. It's a sad history if you think about the number of elephants that were killed. Civilization is close by. That must be from the last night or early this morning. I'm pretty sure with the amount of elephant droppings that I'm seeing here, there is too much man-animal conflict happening in this place. Tiger, leopard, elephant, Indian goat, sloth bear inhabit this area. Don't step down from the vehicle. Wow. This guy has constructed a house at the so close to the forest, and then we just noticed some elephant droppings, and I'll probably take off the camera now. I'm done for my day actually. I'm heading back.